everyone. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. I'm hoping everyone is quite well today, or whenever, whether you see it night or day or whenever. So I'm coming here. I'm getting ready. I'm going to read my scripture first. I'm taking it from Psalms 121. Psalms 121. Okay. Oh, he that keepeth thee will not slumber. Psalms 121, verse 3. Even the night shall be light about me. Psalms 139:11. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm getting ready to do. I have purchased some merchandise from most everything that I have here on the table tonight is from QVC. I think everything just about is from QVC. And I want to show you these items that I have purchased. Okay. So I'm hoping that this will help you all. If you all ever go to QVC or any of the HSN is my favorite channels to get things from. Because I know these things are reasonable. Okay. So I'm going to start now. This is a fan. Oh. Okay. This is the fan that I have bought from QVC. And this was just on as if this past week they had it on. And this is a fan that will work with or without electricity. It's one that will go, you can plug it in and it will work 19 hours without electricity. Once you plug it in and fill it up, it should run. And it stands on a stand as well as on the table. And it also has the little plug on the front of it. That you can hook to your water hose. And this will give you this will blow the steam, the mist out for you. But that's the part that will hook to your water hose. And it will stay on. It will blow the mist out where it will stay good and cool for you. Okay.
So it'd be good to use outside, y'all.
Yes, and then it comes with a cover also. But like I said, you just have to plug it in. And once it's plugged in, that's it. And it does come with a stand and all those things. So it's made by Sharp. Sharp, that's right. I don't want to stuck this on the box. Okay.
And this is the name of the product, y'all.
Okay.
Sharp Flex Freeze.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Okay.
And you can stand it on the table, or you can put it on the stand.
Yeah, because it'll fit right down on the stand as well. And all I have to do is just set it on top of there. And then if it's down, should I put it on there? No, just leave it. Okay.
Yeah, and that's sorry about that on the floor. She had onions, skin dropped down there on the floor.
Okay. So this is the Nuwave cookware. And what it does, I didn't know it came with a skillet. Because this is just one that you can tabletop cooking. So I tell you, I know you all watch all the movies and stuff. So when you're watching, cook shows, just regular shows in the morning, I almost everybody use the Nuwave because it cooks on. And if you take it off, if you don't have a pan on, it's not going to burn you. It'll just cook where the pan is sitting on top of. Okay, and then this is and it also comes with the skillet, y'all. Yeah. So, but I didn't know the skillet came with it. But anyway, it does. So this is a Curtis Stone chopper. Okay, this one did come from HSN. Come to think of it. So, but it does all things. It chops, it slices, and it grates your cheese, and it slices your cheese. It does all these things. It will cut your French fries, and it does a lot of things for you. So
it's a Curtis Stone.
It does all kind of things. I didn't take all this stuff apart so you can see it. But I will be using it from time to time. And then just push it back down and go back together. So anyway, okay. So.
Uh-oh.
And she'll turn around. Maybe I got to lift it on the right there. So I have to lock it back down. Okay, so now I have, this is what you call, this is just a little, I'll push it down to the end. All right, this is what you call it, the Prepcology also. And this is just a little 2-quart air fryer. But I bought this because this one it's only this is my daughter and I, and it has everything from you're making your toast and chicken, fried fish. Everything is on here, each one that you push it for. But the first time you put it on, you have to let it stay on about 10 minutes in order to let it preheat for you. Okay, so it's really neat, and you got the little inside prep roll that you take out. But if you want to put a little water in it, you can. But if you put it may take your flavor away. That's what they said. So I did cook a little steak in it yesterday. Okay, on this I have a. Okay. And this is the microwave bowls. Okay. Now on this microwave bowls, you can put them in, and this little top on here, when it gets done, it will steam back over it and it will push it down. And it will let you know it's already ready. Okay, so this is really neat also. And also it will bake potatoes also. So you can, my fingernails are not letting me get this done. But anyway, you can put whatever food that you want to put in it. But it will bake your potatoes or do whatever. And it will fix your whole food. If you want to cook something in it, you can also do that with oatmeal or something.
Yeah, this kind of deep too.
And so you can also, if you want to make your food preparations, you can also preparate your food ahead of time. And you can put it in your deep freeze, and you'll have dinner for each day, for each person that you're trying to prepare for.
Those are pretty cool. And this is what brand?
Huh?
What brand?
It's just I don't know what that one is a brand. I don't know if they had a brand name on that one.
It just say decor.
Yeah, well, that's what it is then. I guess that's what it is.
The Decor Corporation.
Okay. But anyway, this one is the lock and latch. Okay, now these these are like nine pieces, but they are stackable. I just took those 3 out to let you know these all 3 are stackable, and you can use these also as well in the microwave as well, and from the table to the microwave. Not in the stove, not on the oven though. Okay, because I don't want y'all to think I want you to put it in the oven, because it's not oven. Okay, so there's 9 pieces here. Okay, I was gonna say.
And how much did they cost?
Okay, these 9 pieces were $19.95, and they do lock and lock. Okay, and on those.
I don't know if you can see the name, but it's lock and lock on there.
Okay, and those over there, the microwave pans, those microwave trays, they were like they're about $19.95 too, I think.
For 4.
Okay. Then I have these little storage cans that you can put spaghetti or something, whatever you want to put them in. These are lock and latch, okay? But you can always use these for putting whatever you want to put in for your cabinet. You can use even in the refrigerator. You can put your carrots or your vegetables in them also. And then that will keep your vegetables in the refrigerator if you don't want to just put it on the shelf. All right, so these 4 here, these were like, I think these were like $16.95 for the 4, okay? All right, so, and this little Prepcology, this was like $29.95 and about 34. I think I got this about 3 weeks ago. They were in all colors on HSN. I mean on QVC. And then I ordered these plants. All right, the plants that I have here, I just took these out of the box today, so I was trying to make sure where they came from. So, okay, these also come from QVC. So, and I have you got the little stand.
She has this is it's giant Italian beefsteak tomatoes, giant macaroni peppers, emerald tower basil, and granada. Granada. Tomato has a unique sweet and spicy taste with a flavor that will add new twists to your recipes.
Yeah, they're the very big old beefy tomatoes also. One is a beefy tomatoes and one is a smaller one.
And the smaller one is a spicy tomato. Okay. And this is how they come.
And they all Italian. And they are supposed to be more meaty and more juicier than any others. Okay.
So that's how they come.
And those the 4 plants come to $29.95. So This is supposed, and it's supposed to continue to make tomatoes the year round. And just keep them watered and, you know, keep your tomato, the food on them, okay? And that's, then I had the one prepcology slow cooker here. I put it back over here, so this is what you call, this is a prepcology also, but this is a slow cooker. So if I have this because it's just the two of us, and sometimes, and she doesn't eat anything but turkey or something like that.
But a businessman is here also, y'all.
So you can put in whatever you like, but it's just a small amount. But this will be enough on one side for her and the other side for me. So if she's gonna cook turkey in hers, I might want to cook chicken in mine. But if you can cook either one at a time, or you can cook them both, because they both have their own timer.
Or you put meat in one, or rice in one, or just whatever you want to make in it.
Yeah. So this is that. So it's really unique, and all this stuff is very reasonable. So I just wanted you all to see and know that sometimes we see a lot of things, but we don't know that we can afford to get them, and they're not that much a month. Some of them just run like $5 and $6 or $7 for like 5 payments a month, because that's what they are. Unless you want to pay it all at one time. But I'm able to get them because I can pay a little bit each month on all of them. And I think this the fan is about the only thing that was more expensive. But this fan will help you maybe in the summer months when it's going to be very hot. And that's why I bought it, because we have a lot of days that we have outage and may have outage. They'll cut the air down, and you don't have enough air in the house. So I can always leave this one unplugged. I have to plug it in. Because once it's supposed to run about 17 hours, 17 to 19 hours without having to recharge it. And that's just, I'll just plug it in, and that's it. And you can, like I said, you can run, and then you can run the water hose on it for the cool mist, to make it cool if you're really hot and you want to be on the outside, you know, by the porch, on your patios, or go to a picnic. You don't have to worry about electricity. Everything's right there for you. It's already together. So I want y'all to see this, and God bless, and y'all have a blessed day. And this is real nice, and I hope if you need some of these things, watch QVC. This is a purchase price for me. It's not a sponsorship. So I just want y'all to know that also. So thank you so much. With all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. These are different gadgets that you may be able to use from now on. Thank you, and good night. Goodbye, a good day, or whatever time it is. I'll see you all later. Thank you so
to
much.
all the members and the new subscribers and old faithful subscribers. We appreciate you so much. Bye-bye.